Unraveling the Roots, the impact of African heritage on Venezuelan culture and society. Welcome back to another episode of Unraveling the Roots, where we continue to explore the profound connections between Africa and the Americas. Today we're delving into the rich Afro-Venezuelan heritage that has shaped the culture and society of this diverse country. In this episode, we'll look at various aspects of Venezuelan culture and society, highlighting how African influences have contributed to the unique identity of the nation. First, music and dance. One of the most well-known Afro-Venezuelan musical styles is gaita, a genre featuring African rhythms, indigenous melodies, and Spanish lyrics. The maraca, a percussion instrument originating in Africa, is also a prominent feature of gaita music. Another popular Afro-Venezuelan dance is joropo, which blends Spanish, African, and indigenous elements. It's characterized by lively, intricate footwork and is often accompanied by the traditional arpa llanera, a type of harp with African roots. Additionally, calypso, a musical style brought to Venezuela by Afro-Caribbean immigrants, has taken on a unique Venezuelan flavor, incorporating local instruments and rhythms. Numerous Afro-Venezuelan musicians and artists have gained recognition for their contributions to the country's cultural landscape. Some notable figures include Oscar de Leon, an internationally acclaimed salsa singer and bassist known as El Sonero del Mundo, the world's sonero. De Leon's music is deeply influenced by African rhythms and melodies. Betsaida Machado, a singer who has gained international fame for her powerful voice and charismatic stage presence. Machado performs traditional Afro-Venezuelan music with her band, Paranda El Clavo. Cruz Salmerón Acosta, a poet whose works are celebrated for their portrayal of the Afro-Venezuelan experience and their exploration of themes such as identity, resistance, and social justice. Next, we focus on cuisine. Afro-Venezuelan cuisine is a unique fusion of flavors and techniques from Africa, Europe, and the indigenous population. Mondongo, a popular Venezuelan dish made with tripe and vegetables, can be traced back to African culinary traditions. Similarly, hallacas, a traditional Christmas dish made with cornmeal dough, meat, and various fillings, also showcase the African influence on Venezuelan cuisine. Another example is cocada, a sweet coconut-based dessert with African roots. The use of plantains, yams, and other starchy vegetables in Venezuelan cuisine also reflects the influence of African cooking traditions. Let's look at religion. Afro-Venezuelan spirituality is deeply rooted in African religious practices. Many followers of Maria Leonza, a syncretic religious tradition, honor African spirits and deities alongside indigenous and Catholic figures. The Dance of the Devils, a traditional Afro-Venezuelan ceremony, showcases this blending of spiritual beliefs, as participants pay homage to both Catholic saints and African spirits. Santeria, another Afro-Caribbean religion with roots in the Yoruba people of West Africa, has also made its way to Venezuela. Practitioners often incorporate rituals, dances, and music with African origins into their spiritual practices. Next up, art and craftsmanship. Afro-Venezuelan art often reflects the themes of resistance and resilience, highlighting the struggles and achievements of the community. The Diablos Danzantes masks, used in the Dance of the Devil ceremony, are a striking example of Afro-Venezuelan craftsmanship, showcasing the artist's skill in carving and painting. Additionally, the traditional pottery and basket weaving techniques in Venezuela have strong connections to African artistic traditions. For instance, the chinchorro hammocks, made by the Afro-Venezuelan community in the Barlovento region, demonstrate similarities with West African weaving techniques. Now, fashion. Afro-Venezuelan fashion is characterized by the use of vibrant colors, patterns, and fabrics that pay homage to African heritage. Traditional Afro-Venezuelan attire includes the liqui-liqui, a suit with a distinctively high-collared jacket, and the pollera, a colorful ruffled skirt. These garments often feature intricate embroidery and bold patterns inspired by African textiles. Let's explore the possible pre-Columbian connections. While the majority of Afro-Venezuelan ties can be traced back to the transatlantic slave trade, there are theories suggesting pre-Columbian connections between Africa and South America. In his book, They Came Before Columbus, Dr. Ivan van Sertima argues that ancient mariners from Africa could have reached the Americas before the arrival of Europeans, influencing indigenous cultures. Some researchers point to similarities in pottery and art styles between West Africa and South America as evidence of these early connections. Moreover, the presence of African plants such as the bottle gourd, Lagenaria Ciceraria in pre-Columbian South America lends further support to the idea of ancient transatlantic contact. In this episode of Unraveling the Roots, we have explored the deep connections between Venezuela and Africa, showcasing the rich Afro-Venezuelan heritage that shapes the country's culture and society today. As we continue our journey through the Americas, we'll keep uncovering the ties that bind these diverse regions to their African roots. Thank you for watching, and please join us in the next episode as we delve deeper into the African diaspora and its impact on the Americas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest episodes.